from classroom walls to computer screens.
Whiteboards have long been essential tools for teachers, managers, and creatives. Originally, they replaced blackboards in classrooms and offices, making notes and brainstorming more visible and dynamic. But as teams and work styles evolved, so did whiteboards, paving the way for digital transformations and global collaboration.
The first steps towards digital whiteboards.
In the late 1990s and early 2000s, companies experimented with interactive whiteboards, large screens that combine projectors with touch input. These early devices brought digital interaction to meetings and classrooms, but they remained expensive and location-bound, limiting widespread adoption.
The shift, cloud computing and online collaboration.
Advancements in cloud computing and internet connectivity in the 2010s made real-time online collaboration possible. New platforms offered digital whiteboards accessible from any device, allowing users to draw, write, and brainstorm together regardless of physical location.
Key features powering remote collaboration.
Modern digital whiteboards offer a range of features that make project management easier: infinite canvases, sticky notes, drawing tools, file sharing, and live editing. Integration with other productivity apps helps keep brainstorming and planning all in one place, streamlining workflow for remote and hybrid teams.
The impact on modern teams.
Digital whiteboards have revolutionized how teams collaborate and innovate. They break down distance barriers, support group creativity, and make information accessible in real time. From classrooms to global companies, these tools have become vital for brainstorming, diagramming, and managing complex projects.